Imagine that every student in a school has a student ID number. Now, imagine that two students accidentally receive the same ID number. The school would not know which student owns that ID. Attendance, grades, and student records would all become confusing. Databases can have the same problem. That is why SQL uses primary keys and foreign keys. These two concepts help organize data and keep everything connected. In this video, you will learn both of them with simple examples.
A primary key is a column that uniquely identifies every row in a table. Think of it like a student ID number. Every student has a different ID, so the school can always identify the correct student. In this table, the ID column is the primary key because every ID is unique and every student has an ID. Now, let us see what happens if we break the rule. Now, both students have the same ID. If someone searches for student ID number 1, the database will not know whether to return Atlas or Nova. That is why a primary key must always be unique. There are 3 simple rules for a primary key. Every value must be unique. A value cannot be null, which means it cannot be empty. And every table can have only one primary key.
Now let us learn about the foreign key. A foreign key is used to connect two tables. Here is a classes table. Now let us update the students table. The class ID column is the foreign key. It connects to the ID column in the classes table. Because of this connection, the database knows that Atlas is in the math class, Orion is in the science class, and Echo is also in the math class. This relationship keeps the database organized without repeating the class names in every row. Foreign keys also help prevent mistakes. Look at this example. Orion's class ID is 5. The problem is that there is no class ID 5 in the classes table.
Without a foreign key, the database could save incorrect information. With a foreign key, SQL checks whether the class already exists. If it does not exist, the database rejects the record. This keeps your data accurate and reliable. Let us quickly review what we learned. A primary key gives every record a unique identity. A foreign key connects one table to another table. Together, they keep your data organized, accurate, and easy to manage. These are 2 of the most important concepts in SQL, and every database developer should understand them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly SQL tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.